Okay, so here we are on day 6, and as you can see, we're definitely getting about a 25% increase in volume. So it's starting to do well. I would expect in the next day or two it's going to start taking off. So what we're going to do again is discard half of it and then add in 30 grams of flour, 30 grams of water. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so here we go. There's definitely bubbles in there. It's looking pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and discard half of this. Okay, and we'll go ahead and put in 30 grams. It seems a little wet actually, so one thing you want to keep an eye on is not to create a starter that's too wet, because it won't actually rise all the way if it's too wet, even though it could be quite active. So I'm actually, we're at 28, I'll just put a little extra in here. Okay, so we're at 33, and I'm actually only going to put about 25 grams of water in right now. So here we go. Let's see, 33. And then we'll just go ahead and mix it up. Okay, it's a tiny bit dry, so we'll just add a little bit extra moisture in there. Okay, that's looking pretty good. So just scrape it down, and then we're going to mark the jar, and we'll come back in 24 hours. This probably is our last time.